Well, good Labor Day to everybody out there. Things are starting to come downhill, at least weather-wise, as we finish out the unofficial end to summer. Yes, unfortunately, we're back to work and school tomorrow. No fun there, and a couple showers and thunderstorms out there this evening. And also the other big story, Hurricane Dorian, which is still pretty much stationary over the Bahamas. They continue to get pummeled by a major hurricane. Winds down to 145 miles per hour, pressure at 940 millibars, and the west-northwest movement only at 1 mile per hour. It's about 70 miles from the eye to the coastline there of Florida. Very close call. We're already seeing those winds gusting in some spots 40 to 50 miles per hour as some of these bands start to come onto the Florida Peninsula, and we'll continue to see that through the rest of this evening. That's why hurricane warnings are now in place from Daytona Beach as well as Flagler Beach all the way down through portions of Melbourne, Fort Pierce, and even just north of Fort Lauderdale. Everybody else inland underneath a tropical storm warning. That includes Disney World. Tropical storm watches all the way out towards Lake Okeechobee, and hurricane watches north of Daytona back up towards Brunswick, Georgia. Storm surge warnings also in place. This is going to account for the water rise that's at the coast with those waves over 10 to 20 feet. Water inundation likely 4 to 7 feet above what it should be there at the coast, and that's going to create that flooding concern. It's also going to magnify it a bit here as the storm comes up the coast. A very tight call there at the Space Coast, and particularly right around Cape Canaveral as we get towards that Tuesday into Wednesday time frame. And the latest cone shows the storm still on the move, and by the time we get towards Friday, it's going to be near our neighborhood before getting up towards Cape Cod into the weekend. So something that we're going to continue to watch. Right now we are watching showers and storms off to the north and west. One or two of these could reach severe limits before the evening is out. Better days ahead on Tuesday as well as Wednesday. Most of those will be dry, and then all eyes will turn to the coastline for what will happen with Dorian. Overnight tonight in the 60s, a storm or two early, mostly cloudy. Still humid tomorrow morning, lots of clouds around the start, but the sunshine will peer on through during the afternoon with highs topping out mid to upper 80s, 85 in Baltimore, 86 in Frederick, 84 in Annapolis. Remnants of Dorian, much cooler there. Thursday and Friday, that's what we'll be paying attention to over the next 7 days, and the weekend looks pretty good with highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. We'll have an updated forecast tonight at 5 and 6. We hope to see you there. Otherwise, you can download our free mobile app at WMAR 2 News, available at the Apple and Google Play Store. For now, I'm meteorologist Eric Taylor.